टॉलरेंस जो है ना सोसाइटी में बहुत कम होती है। रहम बढ़ाएं, बर्दाश्त बढ़ाएं, एक दूसरे को इज्जत करना सीखें और सबसे पहले अपनी इज्जत करना। आप अपनी इज्जत करेंगे तो यू विल बिकम अ बेटर पर्सन फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ द सोसाइटी, स्पेशली फॉर योरसेल्फ। अगर आप अपने अंदर नहीं खुश, तो आप किसी को भी बाहर खुश नहीं रख सकते। And if you're happy, you have that energy, you're happy with yourself, other people will feel it. कि नहीं यार, this is a lively person. और दिल से, don't act. अगर जो act करता है ना बहुत ज्यादा, कुछ happy, उसका भी crashing point आता है। और वो crashing point बहुत, it's devastating for your mental health, for your physical health, every type of way. It becomes really destructive because you have faked it for so long that you don't know who you actually are. Don't fake yourself. Be who you are. Happiness is your own responsibility. You have to learn to heal yourself. Nobody will come and save you. And once you've healed, you'll feel much better. You'll start to learn how to keep yourself happy. And if you learn how to keep yourself happy, everyone around you would be in a much better mood and you'll enjoy life.